What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another little video with your boy Sticks in the cut. I am a little late. As you guys know, I play let me put this back here though. I don't want nobody to steal my shit. So you guys know I play softball on Monday, so she gotta go. My car's so dirty, guys. Gotta go and get ready for that. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be taking you guys on a little, POV drive on the way there. Damn, I have no gas and I need to get gas too. Shoot. Well, let's hope I make it. Yeah, let's go ahead and get going. I actually gotta go pick up my girl because she's coming to the game too, so I kind of have to hurry up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of chill, let the car warm up and stuff like that, because I haven't, it has been off all day. But the weather has been super nice though, so that's the plus. It's supposed to be really nice the whole week, so I'm excited for that. I just remembered tomorrow I got an appointment to get my brakes done, because as you guys know, I tried to do it myself and I almost broke my whole car. So I'm gonna be taking it into a shop tomorrow, so I'll probably vlog that and take you guys with me. Hopefully they don't say I have to leave the car there, because I need to go back home because I gotta work. I'm going early, that way they gives them enough time for me to go back home and go to work. So yeah, I get that fixed, and then sometime this week I also gotta take my car to get a line, because as you guys can kind of tell, my car is straight right now, but my steering wheel is a little crooked, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I gotta get that lined up. I also gotta get a tire, bro. There's so much stuff I gotta do to this car, bro. Shopsticks.com coming soon. I want to create clothes or like shirts and sweatshirts and stuff, but I gotta figure out where and stuff. So I hear ambulance coming somewhere. Yeah, I gotta figure out where so I can create some stuff for you guys, you know what I'm saying? I actually put a poll on my Instagram and on YouTube. If you guys don't check out my community posts, I be typing here and there on there, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, obviously it's gonna be like a community thing with you guys, with the design and stuff like that. But I gotta find an affordable one for me that is still nice, because your boy ain't rich, man. I'm far from that, man. I barely got any money, but I want to do this from me to you guys. So I'm just trying to figure that out as I go and stuff. So if you guys want to support, you guys know what you gotta do. You guys see that little super chat, super something, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, man, if you guys want to support the channel, you guys don't have to, obviously, because I don't make it, I don't make the videos to expect anything of it, because if it was because of that, then I would have been quit a long time ago. Because you guys know that you gotta have 4,000 hours watched, and then you gotta have 1,000 subscribers to even get monetized, and that alone took me a year. So you know what I'm saying? If it was because of that, I would have been quit. You gotta love making these kind of you gotta love making videos, enable for you to be able to stick around this long without getting anything in return, you know what I'm saying? But I like making YouTube videos. I like creating content and just chatting with you guys. I actually, this last event that I went to, this last car show I went to, I met some of you guys, and that was pretty cool. See, we got to talk and stuff like that, and yeah, so I enjoy that. There's another car show coming soon that I'll probably be going to as well. So if you guys see me on any of these shows, feel free to pull up on me, bro. I'm a regular person, just feel free to pull up on me and just chat with me, bro. I have no friends. Yeah, you guys are my friends. YouTube is my friend. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm just gonna be cruising a little bit here and then go from there. So, well, there is a cop right there though. Chill, hold on. Slow my ass down before you get on my ass. He ain't moving, he stayed. You never know though. Oh, and then there's another one right there as well. Yeah, exiting though. Okay, we straight. So I was actually thinking, guys, obviously this video is gonna come out before I post the video that I have in mind. So I'm thinking, guys, I know you guys are into cars and stuff, you know what I'm saying, but I was thinking, what if I do a little POV of me playing baseball? You guys would watch that? I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I might just do it for like a TikTok clip kind of thing. But let me know if you guys would, if that would be kind of interesting to watch. You know, I might just put it out there, guys, because you know, you just gotta test things. I might put it out there and see if you guys like it. I thought it would be kind of a cool idea, that way you guys kind of witness my life as a whole. But let me know if you guys would, you know, watch that. I know it's not a car thing, but I might do like a half car, half POV of me playing softball, so you guys can see your boy going to work. Let me see if, because yesterday I got my front wheels balanced, because on the way home from the car show that I went to, I felt my car like shaking, especially at high speeds, like my steering wheel. And so I went to get my wheels like balanced. I'm trying to go a little faster to see if it still does it. I still want to do my back wheels, but before I do that, I gotta get a new tire from one of my tires in the back, because that tire is shot pretty much. Yesterday I felt the car shaking when I was going like 80 miles per hour. So like when I stop accelerating at 80 miles per hour, I will feel it. But right now there's kind of traffic, so I don't want to test it here just yet, but let's see. I mean, I also know I need an alignment, so that might be part of the issue as well. I need a couple things, guys. I need some help. Yeah, get out the way, bro. Just gotta be careful for the popo. Let's see. Just hit 80. Oh, it's not doing it anymore. Let me see actual 80 miles per hour. Oh wow, it stopped. Nice. Maybe I don't even have to balance my back tires. I think I will do it anyway, just to be on the safe side. Obviously they won't do it unless it has to be balanced, you know what I'm saying? So, but so far it's feeling better, you know. Definitely need an alignment though. And then yeah, but right now the car's feeling pretty good. So I was reading some of the comments, and I know you guys see my check engine light, and I saw one of the comments that said, oh yo, turn off that light, it's giving me anxiety. Bro, at this point, like, I don't even notice it, because I've gotten so used to it. Guys, the thing is, look, if I turn it off, right, because I know what's wrong with the car, and well, I think I know what's wrong with the car. So let's say if I turn it off, I just know that it's gonna come right back. It might take it might take a week, it might take 2, it might be on the same day, it might be a month, but it does come back. If it makes you guys feel better, I'm gonna turn it off for you guys, okay? I'm gonna turn it off, and let's see how long it takes. The reason it's on is because it's saying that one of my hoses is disconnected, but it's not. It's just because of the amount of air or something like that. It has to do with the intake that I have. So a lot of people that I know, like my boy, he had the same intake as that I have now, and he had the same problem where his engine light kept coming on. And so once he changed the intake to a different intake, he never got that problem again. So what I'm thinking is, maybe if I get a new intake, I won't have that issue, but I don't know. Or maybe I just put the stock intake back on. I don't know. I don't even know where my stock intake is, but that's why I think I have the engine light, because you know, I don't have anything else. But I think that's the reason why I have the check engine light, you know. But I'm gonna turn it off for you guys. So next video, I should have the engine light off, okay? Let's put the car, I don't have much gas, but we are gonna put gas anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the car into sport. We're almost at my girl's house here, so we're gonna put it into sport on the way there, and then yeah, and then I need some gas for sure, because I have 40 miles left. Yeah, you better go back, because the camera took a picture of you, buddy. Better reverse. Oh, I just realized I don't even have my lights on. There you go. I'm trying to figure out if that car behind me is a cop or not. I can't tell. So I don't want to do anything stupid. Sometimes I wish I live in a really nice, like, you know, place that has like really nice roads, or like with mountains and stuff that we can kind of go on drives and take the car out there. That would be so cool. But fortunately we live in New York, and then we just kind of have to do what we got. So Fudge. Freaking allergies messing me up. All right, let me get $30 premium.
18?
30.
30. Premium?
Yeah.
And zip code, sir?
Guys, we gotta get some gas right now because your boy got no gas. All right, guys, so yeah, we just kind of cruising on the way to the game right now. We're not too far, so I'm actually gonna make it there on time. You guys know that your boy Sticks is always late to the parties, but we're actually gonna get there with, you know, enough time to stretch a little bit and get ready for the game. So, you know, maybe we can do a little bit of cutting up right now. I see this Mercedes in front of me looking like he's cutting up a bit, but I don't know. Put my window up a little bit because the wind is kind of annoying. There's some bird poop on my windshield right now, and I just see it in the corner of my eye. You see it? Look at it right here. Oh, this is the exit. Hold on. Oh, there's a beam right behind me. I think that's a 5 Series. Let me see if I'm right. Just by me looking at the lights. Let me see if I really know my cars, bro. Let me see. Of course. Oh, that's. Oh, never mind. I don't know my car. Stan, that's a 7 Series. Hey, that's pretty similar though, pretty similar size. All right, you guys, so we are here. Field's gonna be over there. Got the beautiful BMW 440i right here. So that's pretty much gonna be the end of the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, comment any other video ideas you guys want to see. And with that being said, guys, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.